Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning in to another video. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys exactly how I take my hair from this old crusty wash and go to the infamous puff, which is one of my go-to styles right before wash day. So getting right into it, for starters, I'm using the Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX, their penetrating hair oil. And then I'll be following up with just some water in a spray bottle. I'm going to be dampening the perimeter of my hair. And then I'll be using the Olive Oil Eco Styler gel, which is my favorite gel, the only gel that I use. I'm basically going to be placing that all around the edges of my hair. And then I'm going to be using my brush to sleek up those edges. So then I'm going to be using the Ouchless Goodie Bands. This was literally a brand new one, so it was not stretched at all. So I struggled a little bit, but literally all you do is take the band, put it around your neck, double it, and then pull it up to get the perfect puff. And I like mine right on top of my head, so I just keep pushing it all the way up to the top. And it's not tight on my head at all. The closer you go up to the top, the less tension there is. And of course, what's a style without laying those baby hairs? So that's what I'm doing here. And once we've got those edges laid, I'm going to be using my scarf, and I'm just tying that around just to finish the look, to hold the style in place. And I'm gonna let that dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right. And then once it's dried, I just unwrap the scarf. And then I'm going to finish the style with the Icy Fantasia hair polisher mist. And this is just to give my hair some added shine to pop off this look. Yes. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. This is how I do my puff. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, of course, leave them down below. And I'll catch you guys on my next one.